Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Coop's Place Crafts. Today I am on with a haul from Dress It Up Buttons. I have not peeked at what's in the package. I just opened it up so you didn't have to hear me crinkling. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, looks like they put everything in one Ziploc. So the first thing I'm going to pull out are these. They are called jelly dinos. I'm going to show you an example of what I make with them. This is the Monstera leaf that's in the pack. So I just make some of my Scrabble trays with those. We'll just open up one of these real quick. So you get some jelly dinos. These are actual flatbacks, they're not buttons. So you get two of those, two of the leaves, and then some jemmies that are fun. And then each one, the dino is slightly different. So this one's like pink and purple, this one's blue, and this one is a different dino, and it looks like, I think I only got one dinosaur in there. I really order them for the leaves, not for the dinosaurs. But I did have a little boy at my last craft show that loved dinosaurs, and I had made a dinosaur magnet, and he wanted his mom to get that, so she got that. This is a little shaker sequin mix. I have an upcoming baking challenge swap, so I figured I'd get some of this here to use. I want to try and make a shaker with this. So it's got candy canes and sequins, sprinkle looking guys, some little trees. So thought that was fun. Let's see here. This is called Master Chef. It comes with a cookie sheet, a knife cutting block, spoon, colander. I really like this. I'm gonna open this one up. I really like the cookie sheet. Oh, the spatula is adorable. So these are actual buttons. I just take a little snipper and I snip that off. This is the one I like the most. It's like oh, it looks like a muffin tin, but it could be a cookie sheet too. Thought that was so cute. So that one was called Master Chef. And then we have in the kitchen, we have a recipe card, which is adorable, a mixer, chef hat, sugar, a pot, it's like a pepper grinder, and a spatula. That one is called In the Kitchen. And I got two of these guys, but maybe not. These are gingerbread cookies. In my haul from Dollar Tree that I just posted, I found some gingerbread ribbon that will go perfect with these. These are flat backs, so no need to snip anything. So get a couple different cookies. These ones are like filled with frosting, and these ones are like a more traditional cookie. So those are cute. This one is called Cookie Cutters, and they are just little mini cookie cutters. They even sound cute. Got some gingerbreads, trees. Looks like you get it in silver and then in colored. And here's another cookie cutter. These are this little mini silver ones. And I will link a few of these in the description down below. So these are all silver. Looks like they're all gingerbread. Yep, they're all gingerbread cookie cutters. Gingerlicious, so they're little girl gingerbreads. Oh, and you even get a couple gumdrops with this one. These do have a button loop on the back, the ginger or the gumdrops. These are flat packs. And then this cute little gives me trying to think of the Candyland vibes. And cookies and cocoa. So we got more gingerbread, guys, and these gorgeous cups of cocoa with a heart. These are actual flat backs. Cupcake does have a loop on it. And 2 more gingerbread. These are so cute. I might have to order some more with these ones. And Christmas Canes value pack. Oh, a little gumdrop fell out of that one. Look at this piece of candy. It's kind of like clay. It's a little on the softer side. Candy canes. A couple of these guys. There's a lot in this one. Another candy cane. A small button back candy cane. 2 peppermint. And this is like an actual button candy cane. And a couple of the glittery gumdrops. Candy cane. So this is a whole pack of this candy cane that came in the variety pack. Here's a whole pack of glittery gumdrops, and they do have a loop on the back. This is Merry Christmas trees. It looks like it does have some small little, sometimes they put some little shaker bits. This must be what's in that sequin mix. So we got a couple of trees. These 2 are flat backs, and these 2 have button loops on the back. Be careful with that because it's got all the little glitters. And this is the last one. It doesn't have a tag, but I'm not sure if this was a freebie or something that I ordered. I don't think that they do freebies, but I did. It's a bunch of gingerbread, guys. Some more of that sandwich one. I really like this sandwich cookie. A bunch of little gingerbreads, some mediums, gingerbread cookie cutters. So I do think I ordered this one. It's like a gingerbread mix. So that is my dress it up haul. I think I have enough flatbacks and gingerbreads and candy canes to get through this challenge and a little bit more. Thanks for watching, and if you would give this video a like, that would be much appreciated. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would. Thank you.